Good morning, high school credit. We need to have a conversation. On the first week of being back to school, I did a video and I said that we will be having Zoom calls in high school credit every day. And I know that we were doing it for a while before we started the back to school stuff, and then I canceled it for a few days so that the kids that were back on campus could get acclimated. However, we were starting Zoom again last Thursday, and so we had a Zoom meeting on Thursday, and then we had Zoom today, and I didn't have any participation on Zoom today. And that's not okay. The reason that it's not okay is because your class is more than just a class now. This is a production class. You guys are an ensemble. You're a team. And so if I only have a handful of kids showing up for their practice or for their time to be together, then we're not going to build the relationships that we need to build. And that's never been more important than now, when we don't know when class might be canceled again, or, you know, I lost my train of thought because I'm really tired today. But anyway, my point being, I need you guys, if you are staying at home, to please get on the Zoom calls. We have 22 kids in this class, and right now I've got about 5 to 6 kids that come to school. And so if I have no one logging into our Zoom calls, that ship's not going to sail when it's time for doing a production. It's just not going to work. So even though we're not in production mode right now, I need you guys to get used to signing on to the Zoom calls during your class period. And if you sign on and it says that I haven't signed on yet, wait, because you forget what it's like here at school when I've got a million things to juggle. And don't forget, I run to the bathroom in between every period. So you got to give me a minute to get signed on to Zoom and get ready to rock and roll. But I expect to see everyone tomorrow on the Zoom call. That being said, my classes are taking forever and a day to get through the lesson for Monday, which means the stuff we were going to do Tuesday, we're pushing back. So if you finish today's lesson at home, you're good to go for a day or two. Just keep checking back in. But that being said, I still want to Zoom. I want to see your faces. I want to have a minute to say hi, to see how you guys are doing. So please sign on to your Zoom. If you don't remember how to do that, I will show you really fast once I figure out how to minimize myself. Aha, there we go. I think that minimized me. No, it didn't. I don't remember. Anyway. I can't show you because I can't minimize my screen, apparently. Yeah, I can't. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is you go into your courses, and at the top it says Zoom information. And there should be a link, but for some reason it didn't come out as a link. And at the end, in the brackets, it says passcode. And then next to the thing that says passcode, at the end of like the link, is all these numbers. So if you go to zoom.com, or if you have the Zoom app, you just need all those numbers. That's the meeting ID. And then you need the passcode. So even though it's not a link, you can still go in. And you don't have to type everything out. You can copy and paste, and that works, okay? So, some of you I have never seen on our Zoom calls, ever, and you know who you are, that I haven't seen your beautiful faces, but you've been doing the work. So what I need to know, if you're one of my kids that haven't been able to sign on for other things, I need you to send me a message on Schoology saying, hey, I can't get onto the computer right now. My sister is on doing her schoolwork, or I can't do it because my parents working, or I can't do it for whatever reason. But I need to know the legit reason why you're not signing on during our assigned class time. Remember, we're third period, so third period is from like 10 to 10:30. You don't even have to give me the whole hour, okay? Give me a chunk of your time around then to at least say hi, so we can start building those good habits of coming together, okay? I'm not yelling at y'all. I just really want to see your faces and for us to like build the atmosphere and the team that we should be having. So Monet is like the only one who has signed on to our Zoom calls since last week. So good for you, Monet, but you didn't do it today. So yeah, I better see y'all tomorrow. That's all I have to say.